Well, hello, my beautiful and amazing crafters. Welcome to another video of Crafting with Shaneda. In today's tutorial, I'm just going to show you the template that I use and created to make these mint wrap. So these are the two designs that I've created here in Cricut Design Space. For the sizing of the mint wrap that I like, it is 2.65 inches by 2.7 inches. So I'm going to bring a shape in from the shape tab and go ahead and unlock it and size the template. And I'll put the sizing in the description box below. And that makes a perfect sizing to fit from edge to edge of the mint wrap. Now for the design area, it will be your own personal preference, but I like my design area to be 2.55 by 1 inch. And that gave me enough room to create the focal point of my design. Now for the bluey mint wrap, I got the images from Google since it'll be for personal use. And the images for the mermaid wrap, I got it from an Etsy seller. I will put the name of the store in the description box below. You don't have to leave the white tab area that I left here. I just liked it for the design, but you can just use that as a point of designing and then erase it when you're done. With this size template, you're able to fit 6 of the mint wraps on just one sheet of sticker paper. For this design, I use glossy paper, which I'll show you when I go to assemble, but you definitely can use a glossy sticker paper or matte sticker paper if you wish. Now I'm going to show you how I created the design for the bluey mint wrap. So I started off by uploading a pattern into Cricut Design Space. I could use the pattern as my background. And then I just brought in some PNG images. And the font that I'm using today, I got from Creative Fabrica. I'll put the name of the font and a link if you would like to use that as well. These mint wraps are not only great for a birthday party, they're great for bridal showers, gifts, even as a little token if you have a business to give to your customers or clients. And using Cricut Design Space shapes, I made a little mint and began to personalize the mint wrap. And I really liked the way the design came out with the bluey mint wrap, so I decided to just use that same concept for the mermaid mint wrap. I'm getting ready for Faith's birthday party, so I'm making all of my party favors ahead of time. And the best part is I get to show you, and you can use these for your own events as well. Now that I'm happy with my design, I'm ready to go ahead and send this to print then cut. So for today, I'm going to be using the 0.75 ounce mint. And I'm going to be using the Party Printables Glossy Inkjet print paper. Again, you can use sticker paper, but I wanted to use the glossy paper, and I'm going to seal it with my double-sided tape runner from Elmer's. I will have all the items that I use in the description box below. I just want to show you how it looks once it was printed, and I let it dry a little bit. It does dry relatively quickly, but just look at that shine from the glossy paper. I've really learned in my crafting journey that using the proper paper makes a huge difference on your design. I'm using the HTV green standard mat. I really like the stick on this mat. I've used it for about 3 weeks now, and it's still holding up great with all the projects I've done. Now that the design has cut, I'm going to go ahead and start assembling my mint wrap. I'm going to place a strip of the double-sided tape right on top. And the easiest way that I found it was just to line it up with the already seam that's already on the mint wrap. And then using another strip of double-sided tape to seal the wrap. And that gave it a very flawless finish. And with that glossy paper, it just makes it look so professional looking. Now I'm going to continue and wrap the remaining of my mints. Peeling them away from my mat by just flipping my cutting mat over and just peeling the design away from the mat to keep it from curling. Well, I hope this template is very useful in your design. I would love to see what you create. Make sure to tag me. And this was really definitely fun to do. Just want to thank everybody that subscribes to the channel and make sure to share. We want to keep growing here at Crafting with Shaneda. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you learned a little bit or a lot. And you know we cannot wait to see you on the next video of Crafting with Shaneda. Happy crafting!